Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, LettersbyN. Today we'll be doing a calligraphy using these 3 highlighters. So get your highlighters now and do some ribbon calligraphy with me. So let's start with this pastel purple Stabilo Boss Original. The type of highlighter that we will be using is a chisel tip. All of the part of that tip should be pressed onto the paper to create thick lines. So in ribbon calligraphy, you don't need to worry about thick lines and thin lines, especially when you use highlighter. Ribbon lettering, you can also use brush pens to create one, but I prefer, for me, to use highlighters because it is easier for me to identify where the line starts to fold, just like what you see in ribbons. After writing, trace it with ball pen, but before outlining, you need to remember this. Imagine that this is just a simple calligraphy, then outline first the downstroke part. For those who doesn't know where downstroke parts are, you can check my first video here in the link above. I explained there more about thick lines and thin lines in calligraphy. As you've noticed, I don't just outline the letters, I put some curve at the edges that serve as the effect of a ribbon calligraphy, because if you don't put that one, it will be useless and you won't create a ribbon calligraphy. So here I'm starting now to outline my letters. I go first with the downstroke parts with some curve effects in it. After outlining the downstroke parts, I proceed to the remaining area that are not traced yet. You need to be careful in outlining to avoid mistakes like overlapping with letters. I know that you don't want that to happen. After outlining, I go over to the shadow parts. The last area that I outline will be the parts wherein you will put your shadows and color it again with your highlighter. Then I use some Uniball Sino pen to make the highlights. Let's try some vibrant color like the color pink. Then I repeat the process. As you can see, I go over first the downstroke parts. Let's try another color. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, can hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bells to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you!